In the bustling metropolis of New Vistas, AI had become as essential as the air you breathe. Rachel, a renowned neurosurgeon, started her day with a simple voice command which set off a symphony of coordinated activities. Her personal assistant, an AI named Vero, managed her appointments, prepped her for surgeries, and even selected her meals based on her nutritional needs and palate preferences. Every aspect of Rachel's life was optimized for efficiency and creativity, leaving more room for her to focus on her groundbreaking work. At Haven High School, AI tutors assisted students with personalized education plans. Each student's learning experience was meticulously crafted by analyzing their strengths, weaknesses, and interests. Ethan, a student struggling with math, found his AI tutor, Astra, invaluable. Astra identified his learning gaps and tailored exercises that made complex problems approachable and even fun. Education had never been so accessible and engaging. AI wasn't confined to practical applications alone. In the realm of entertainment, AI-generated music, art, and literature reached new heights of creativity. People marveled at symphonies composed by AIs that could evoke emotions previously uncharted. These works raised questions about the nature of creativity and whether human ingenuity was still central to artistic expression. Yet, with these advancements came ethical dilemmas. The medical community grappled with the implications of AI in decision-making. Could an AI, no matter how sophisticated, make truly empathetic decisions?